Good afternoon, Bly, and welcome to Celebration Assembly. Today, I'm afraid you're just going to have to put up with me because all of your teachers are busy now teaching the children who return to us on Tuesday. So they're all in their classrooms, busy teaching away, and also putting videos together for children who haven't come back to school yet. So it's just me today to do Celebration Assembly, and we're going to start in Key Stage 2. So we're going to start with Elm class. And this is for someone who's been working really hard at home, been amazing with their reading comprehension. So I'm really pleased to let Kieran know that you will be getting a resilience badge, Kieran, and we'll now see what clap that you're going to get. Okay, it's a firework clap. Pew, 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 pew. Okay, staying in year 3, and this is in Ash class, I have an achievement badge, and this is for someone who has been working really hard at home on Teams. She's been asking for clarification when she's not too sure about a task and completing all of her work to a really high level. And it has been great looking at some of the pictures that you've been sending into school regarding your home learning. And this is for Sophie. Very well done, Sophie. And we'll see what clap you're going to get now, Sophie. It's a microwave clap. Moving on into year 4, and this is for Mrs Das and Mrs Das's class, Mrs Gammon, and this is for someone who never ever gives up and has been showing true resilience. And you all know that resilience is one of the key school values that I hold really dear to my heart, never ever giving up. And this is for Harvey. So very well done, Harvey. And it says here that you've been working extremely hard with your home learning, been completing all of the activities to your best ability. You've shown lots of resilience, especially with your maths work. So keep up the good work, Harvey, and well done. And let's see what clap you are going to get, Harvey. It's a marshmallow clap. Okay, staying in year 4. This is from Mrs Kingsnorth. And this is an achievement badge as well. And this is for someone who's been, again, working really hard at home. And Mrs Kingsnorth would like to nominate Jacob. So very well done, Jacob. Well done for working so hard at home and trying your very best in everything you do. Congratulations. And let's see what clap you're going to get, Jacob. It's a crocodile clap. Okay, moving into year 5. And this is a resilience badge. And this is in Poplar class. So, Mr Hunt has said about this person that they have been showing amazing resilience throughout lockdown. They've been completing work to a very high standard, even when they might not be feeling very well themselves. They've been keeping up great spirits at a very challenging time. And this is for Reese. Very well done, Reese. Very deserved resilience badge on its way to you. And let's see what clap that you're going to get, Reese. It's a fairy clap. Staying, of course, in year 5, and this is Maple class, and this is an achievement badge. And this is for someone who's been working really well online and really deserves this badge, and this is for Annalise. And Annalise, it says here that you've been working extremely hard, that you've been writing some brilliant stories that you produced at the end of last term. You've included some fantastic writing which have made your stories engaging and a real pleasure to read. Well done, and keep up the great work. Very well done. And let's see what clap that you will be getting. It's a popcorn clap. Pop, 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 pop. And now moving on into year 6. We have first, now year 6 are back with us in school. A large percentage of them are. So some of these are for children who have been in school, and some are for children who are at home. So we're going to start with Mr Elliott's Bubble of Children, and this is an achievement badge and it's for Lola. And it says here, Lola, that you've been working incredibly hard this week. You've been an absolute pleasure to teach, demonstrating your ability to understand and infer from a text. We have been reading Shakespeare's Macbeth, and I'm overwhelmed with how well you have understood this complicated story. So very, very well done. And for beach class, for a child who is at home, this is another achievement badge, and this is for Keenan, who's been working incredibly hard, completing all of the tasks to the best of his ability. His posts on Teams have made me smile. He is on it like Sonic, according to Mr Elliott. Very, very well done, Keenan. So, a clap for both of you. Let's see what clap that will be. It's a train clap. Choo-choo, choo-choo. Okay. And moving on to Miss Gladman's class, and this is for another achievement badge, and this is for someone who's been working really hard being back at school, and this is for Emily. So Emily, Mrs Gladman writes about you. Emily really impressed me on the first day back, particularly in her maths learning, where she showed me exactly how much progress she has made this year in Mr Elliott's set and how much more confident she is in answering lots of questions. We are so proud of you. So very well done, and let's see what clap you're going to get. Okay, it's a firework clap. Pew, 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 pew. Okay, and also in Year 6, in Mrs Gammon's bubble, is a child who is going to be awarded an achievement badge. This is for one of the Year 6s who's been in here with us. Despite a lot of changes, this young man has managed to settle down really, really well and has been a real asset to the bubble, especially when discussing Macbeth. And this is for Alfred. Mrs Gammon says that she's been so very impressed with your prior knowledge of the play and the way you're able to vocalise your impressions of the characters. Well done, Alfred, and keep going. Very well done. And let's see what clap that you will be getting. It's a microwave clap. That is the end of Celebration Assembly for Key Stage 2 this week. I hope you all have a marvellous, fantastic weekend, and I look forward to speaking to you, seeing you or hearing from you next week. Take care.